Hey guys, I'm Tasnia Masiat and welcome to my series Python Tutorials. This is quite new series in my channel and I will try to explain all the topics very easily. If you are a newbie in programming, you are most welcome. In this series, I will start from the scratch. So let's get started. Introduction to Python. First of all, we need to know what is Python, why do we learn Python, and what can we do with Python. What is Python? Python is basically an object-oriented programming language. So, what does programming language mean? Well, we are familiar with many languages like English, Bengali, French, Japanese, Hindi, and so on, right? These languages are for human communication. But what's for computers? Computers don't understand these languages we use. Computers only understand 0 and 1. So, how can we communicate with computers? How can we give commands to computers? For this reason, we have so many programming languages. Python is one of them. It's a high-level language and it's very popular, easy to learn and understand. Python is also very cool, you know. As we go forward, you will see why it is so cool. What does object-oriented mean? Well, Python is based on the concept objects. Everything in Python is considered as object. We will learn deeply about it later, but for now, just remember everything in Python is considered as object. What can we do with Python? Python is well known for many purposes. We can use it as we want. It can serve you as your demand. It is used for software development, web development, machine learning, artificial intelligence, game development, and so on. Why is Python so famous? Python is so famous because it has simple syntax. You don't need to suffer for complex syntax in Python. Next is its code readability. The commands used in Python is similar to English, so it's readable for anyone. It's more productive than any other languages. It's very easy to learn and also takes less time. If you are new to programming, you can easily start with Python, and it will be easier for you rather than C, C++, or Java. It's also quick and easy to use as it has short and simple syntax. It has a huge number of built-in libraries which are used for many purposes like machine learning, data science, and so on. And finally, no prerequisite is needed. Python is so cool that it is not only used in small companies but also tech giants like Google, YouTube, Yahoo. It is also used in NASA. So, are you excited to learn Python? Let's dive into it. I will be come back in the next tutorial. Till then, take care and don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye-bye.